Welcome back to Set Streets and Aids, guys. I'm Chris Bauer, and this video is a mail call. Mail call. Got a couple packages in the mail that I thought I would open and show you guys what has come in recently. And yeah, let's jump into it. Mail call. So first one is from Bull Airs. All right. And so if you remember, Bull Airs last year did a promotion where they did the Chuck E. Cheese Pizza Time Theater Nike Jordans and coat and other stuff. And this is part of that. These are the lace faces. Look at these. Check these out. That's pretty cool. These will go on the actual shoes. Love the packaging. Love that Chuck behind. Well, I guess that's his face is right in the middle there. Yeah, these are really cool. I'm totally digging these. Can't wait for the other stuff to come out. I think the stuff, they already released the coat, the lace faces, and I think we have those character balls. And then, of course, the shoes still to come. Next, we got, Terror Vision, which, if you guys remember, back in April, there was a release of the Rock of Fire Explosion album. And then on their website, they later released a CD and a tape, a cassette tape. Ooh, losing stuff falling out of the package. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look what we got here. Oh, fresh Rock of Fire stuff. Oh man, I love it. You gotta want it. Look at this bad boy. Love it. Then we also have the cassette. Oh man, I really love that cassette. God, does that take me back? How cool is this? Oh, these are awesome. Check this cassette out. It's orange. Oh yes. Of course, has all the songs on it that were on the album. And we got a little bit of the main picture, but we got that Billy Bob picture. That's so cool. Original Dreams, songs from Showbiz. Man, I love that. God, this takes me back. So back. Love it. Really cool. Then we got the CD. Oh yeah, it's got the coupons just like the album did. And then got the Rock of Fire. Oh, I'm putting this on in the car for sure. And then we got the full band. Love it. So cool. Also, in the pack, we have thank you for support. Your order was packed by Elena. Okay, but they gave you a fortune teller miracle fish. That's weird. Let's see. Fortune teller fish. Place fish in palm of hand, and with its movements, it will indicate. That's weird. All right. Whoa, it's curling up. Moving head and tail in love. That is really unique. I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's got some writing on it, but I do not have glasses, and it is so small, I cannot read it. But it is cool. I've never seen one of those. That's interesting. And finally, I got this in. So this is from my buddy Logan. Some of you guys might know Logan from the reason we started having legacy stages. Logan's letter was cited as the main reason, and He's sending into Chuck E. Cheese. They took him out to Northridge for the premiere. We got to meet Nolan Bushnell. Very cool. Anyway, he made me something that you guys know I'm going to love. It's the start of something. I have to do a little work to it, but check this out, y'all. Don't worry, it's just packed in asbestos, no big deal. Oh my God. It's a 3D printed Munch's hat, guys. Oh, look at this. I've already got the version I'm going to use, the Munch patch coming, and all I got to do is paint it, the green sections, and I'll have a Munch's hat to put on my shelf. I can't thank Logan enough for this. Thank you, buddy. This is really, really cool. Man, this looks just like it. It really does. I don't know if I can get away with wearing it. Maybe I'll do a Chuck E. Cheese stage visit with it. I'll show up and be like, "Hi, I'd like to come into your establishment and film things." And be like, "Sir, we're going to call the police." But I'd be like, this is Munch's hat, bros. Go look at your Munch. He's got this hat, except it's green and white. And it has a sweet patch on the front. I can't wait to get this done. This might have to just be substituted for my calendar for calendar head night at BillyCon next month. What do you guys think about that? I think that would be sort of sacrilegious, but not really. Not really. Let's say not really. It's because I really want to do it. Shut up. Anyway, awesome. Thank you, Logan. Can't wait to have that on there. It's going to look awesome. And it was a good little mail call. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Little unboxing. You know, I do those every now and again. And I appreciate the stuff that gets sent to me ever so much. Yeah. Logan, you knocked out of the park in this. I love this hat. I might just wear this as my colander. It's not a colander, but I might do it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye now.